Everyone loves good, old-fashioned charcoal grilling. Aside from being cheaper than other grilling methods, it adds a raw, distinctive taste to your sausages, burgers, ribs, and other grilled items. Some people prefer charcoal grills over gas grills because they are easier to transport and are safer to use than gas. While there are differences in opinion and preference among grillers, it still remains that charcoal grills are here to stay. So be it in picnic, or an outdoor grill, charcoal grills will more than make up their worth in usefulness and reliability. When choosing charcoal grills, however, it pays to know what your needs are and to know the pros and cons of having such a grill over the other available grills around. 1. Cooking space. First of all, you have to determine how much space you need for grilling. If you are grilling for a small family of 3, you will do well enough with a 75 square inch grill. You will have to consider larger grills if you are cooking for more people. It doesn't make sense if you bring a puny sub 75-inch grill to a large picnic. Remember that the size of your grill increases the amount of items you can grill exponentially. Just looking at the grill won't give you a clear idea on how big the grilling area is. Some grills have a warming rack that increases the perceived size of your grill. 2. Portability. Get grills that have wheels. Try choosing grills whose parts are ergonomic and efficient. Lessen the risk of damaging your grill when transporting. Your grill also has to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. It does not pay to purchase a flimsy-looking grill, go for those that are durable and lasting. 3. Convenience. Some charcoal grills come with their own igniters. Try choosing grills that have this option. Other grills need lighter fluid to fire up. With the built-in igniter, you will not need lighter fluid anymore. On the other hand, you may want to avoid lighter fluid altogether. Some people dislike the taste and smell this fluid adds to the grill. If you must, use alcohol instead. It burns odorless and does not ruin the flavor of your food. Choose grills that allow you to easily access the ash pan. This makes cleaning the grill a lot easier. It also lessens the amount of ash flakes that may settle in your food. Also, lids are a very important part of the grill. Choose a grill that has a lid to keep the heat trapped within the grill. This allows for faster and smokeless grilling. The materials used in making the grill are also very important. Some grills are made of material that easily corrodes or does not stand up well against the elements. Stainless steel grills hold up remarkably well to both the weather and the heat of the grill. Try avoiding painted grills as the paint may easily flake off. Although lightweight, durable materials are hard to come by among grills, you would do best to look for such. Remember, though, that first and foremost, the most important built characteristic you are looking for in a grill is durability. Copied with permission from http://plrplr.com/7082/choosing-the-perfect-charcoal-grill/